Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best workbench for garage you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best workbench for garage in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Wen WB4723 48-inch workbench. The Wen garage workbench is 48 inches tall, and the drawers can be filled with whatever tools and materials you want. It's a strong worktop that can support up to 220 pounds. It's not as sturdy as the mobile garage workbench above, but the worktop has an enamel coating to make it more practical. The Wen workbench provides organization, power, and light. This spacious workstation measures in at 62 inches tall with a 25 by 48 inch footprint. The included pegboard combined with the two 20 by 18 inch drawers make for an easy storage and organization solution for your tools and materials. The 47 by 23 inch tabletop supports up to 220 pounds of weight, providing you a reliable work surface for all your various needs. The overhead fluorescent light bulb illuminates your workspace while the 3 side-mounted 120 volts 13 amp outlets provide accessible power whenever it's needed. The heavy-duty bottom shelf supports an additional 200 pounds of weight, giving you extra storage right below your workspace. Our second best workbench for garage is 2x4 Basics 901650NL MIL-shaped workbench. If you are DIY savvy or just getting started, the 2x4 Basics L-shaped workbench makes customizing your workspace easier than ever before. When it comes to getting projects done and organizing all your tools, a workbench is a must-have for any garage or workshop. Customizable L-shaped workbench fits any workspace. Brackets are made of heavy-gauge structural resin. Combine with lumber to hold up to 1,100 pounds, only straight 90-degree cuts, no miter or angle cuts necessary. The 2x4 Basics 90165 L-shaped corner workbench creates the ultimate customizable workspace. All the hardware is included, just add the size lumber you want. Simple assembly with only a powered screwdriver and a saw, no miter or angle cuts necessary. Ideal for the garage and shed, the workbench legs are durable and sturdy. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Fedmax 48-inch workbench. The mobile garage workbench with casters will impress you if you're looking for a high-quality garage workbench with excellent craftsmanship. This is the one because it is long-lasting and durable. It's simple to put together and move around, and it works just as well for weekend carpenters as it does for professionals. Each garage workbench undergoes a thorough inspection and is subjected to stringent quality control. They've been sold. The legs are solid steel, and the top is made of a beautiful, stable acacia wood. Because the hardwood is 1 inch thick, there will be no bowing or bending under pressure. Acacia is the preferred wood for this project because it is the strongest. The spacious surface can be a portable workbench for garage, mobile kitchen island for extra counter space, computer workstation for working from home, or as a crafting table. This garage workbench has an indestructible steel frame and solid wood surface that can withstand Thor's hammer. The feet levelers adjust to avoid any annoying wobbles for building models, gardening jobs, gun cleaning, soldering, making jewelry, or to mount dual monitors on. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 on our side is Nesagro Work Pro Heavy Duty Workbench. If you want a bench that will do the job for your project, you're going to enjoy using the Nesagro Work Pro Multi-Purpose Heavy Duty Workbench. This bench is 48-inch long and made to last, with an all-steel frame that can easily support the weight of your project. If you're looking for a rust-resistant bench, you'll love this one because it has a black oxide finish that ensures rust is no longer an issue. This model has a lower shelf that can hold a lot of tools. It will get your garage organized for the first time, allowing you to keep everything in one location. Last in our best workbench for garage list is Work Pro 60-inch adjustable workbench. The work table is made of rubber wood, which is strong and hard to wear. In order to make it have a longer service life, we use the transparent coating of environmental protection. Effectively prevent the table from moldy. It also has a high load-bearing capacity. Maximum load bearing up to 2,000 pounds. It has a power strip that fitted a power outlet for the workbench. Convenient for you to use a variety of power tools and lamps. There are 4 AC outlets and 2 USB ports on the power strip. And the socket is ETL certified for safety and durability. The 1 to 3 by 16 inch thick solid hardwood makes this workbench an ideal surface for projects ranging from gardening to car repair, such as hitting, dyeing, drilling and cutting. You can also put it in your bedroom and the living room as your desk or storage table. For details, let's watch more.